naval gun crew, and since Christmas we've been rebuilding both these guns. They both now operate, which is the first time they've operated in about 40 years. So all we're going to do is we're going to try to fire some training rounds from this mount, B mount. These ones are 4.5 naval guns, and originally had a range of about 15 miles, firing 2-part ammunition. A projectile that weighed about 55 pounds, driven by a cartridge that weighed about 12 or 14 pounds loaded with cordite. So what we're going to do now, as I say, is our crew is going to attempt to fire a couple of shots. Thank you. .5, close up and clear away.
B gun, closed up and cleared away.
4.5, stand 2.
B gun, stood 2.
Target, surface contact, range 10,000. Bearing 040, angle of sight 30.
B gun, switch to auto, director, target.
4.5, salvos, HE, fused TN.
B gun, salvos, HE, fused TN, load.
Engage.
Lower on, make interceptor.
Huh? Oh yeah, it's got cancelling, yeah. That's what we're doing, Chris. Loading 4 up.
Right. It's 4 they're going to fire.
Yeah.
It all works before.
40 years makes it look very reluctant, doesn't it? At least we didn't manage to make it work in the end. Now we need to do that again. I do hope you enjoyed that. You're the first people to ever see this gunfire in the last 40 odd years. So perhaps it's allowable that you're a bit reluctant. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll do all that again in half an hour.